Let's be real. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start building wealth. But the truth is, if you know what you're doing, even $100 can be the start of something big. Here's the smartest way to turn that small amount into long-term wealth. First, let's forget the idea of getting rich quick. That's the mindset that keeps people broke. We're not talking about gambling, hype coins, or chasing overnight pumps. We're talking about strategy, the kind that actually works. Step 1. Build a foundation. That means dividing your $100 smartly. Put 70% into long-term assets that grow over time, 20% into learning or improving your financial knowledge, and 10% into taking small, calculated risks. Now, when I say long-term assets, I mean things like Bitcoin or Ethereum, proven, reliable projects that have stood the test of time. Forget trying to find the next moonshot coin. It's better to build slow, steady, and strong. Next, take that 20%, maybe $20, and invest it in yourself. Buy a book, take a course, learn how markets move. The smartest investors aren't just lucky, they're educated. And then, there's that last 10%. That's your risk fund. Maybe it's a new altcoin project you believe in, or even an AI-based crypto startup. This is where you experiment, but always remember, you're learning, not gambling. Over time, that $100 isn't just about the money. It's about building habits that multiply it. You'll start adding another $10, another $50, and soon you're building momentum. And here's the secret most people don't realize. Wealth doesn't come from what you earn. It comes from what you own. Every smart dollar invested today is one less hour you'll have to work tomorrow. So start now, even if it's just $100, because when you look back a few years from now, you'll realize that tiny step was the smartest move you ever made.